Here's a list of supplies needed.
Hemming a pair of overalls. This is a men's pair of overalls. First thing I did is have him try it on, and then while he had it on with the pair of shoes he's going to be wearing, I turned this up till it just met the floor and folded it. I'm measuring it now.
Okay, so these pants I need 5 inches shorter. So I take the amount of inches I need and subtract it by 2 inches because those 2 inches we need for the hem. The example that I'm using is 5 inches minus 2 inches would be 3 inches that we would cut off, and the extra 2 inches will be for the hem.
Now to mark these, I'm just using a pen and a ruler. You can use a ruler like this. You can use a ruler like this. You can use a glass ruler. It doesn't matter. You're going to go 3 inches up, or however long yours you measured out. 3 inches at the bottom. Put a line. Do that all the way down.
Okay, now we're going to cut the 3 inches off of both pant legs.
Now we're going to iron these 1 inch down.
Make a 1 inch chalk mark from the bottom of the pants all the way around both of them. That's where you'll be ironing it. Now we're turning up the 1 inch we just ironed, another 1 inch. This will be our hem that we will be sewing.
Okay, now we're going to sew the hem. I'm going to sew 5/8 inch out, then I'm going to sew a second hem from that because these are going to be wore out working in the fields and stuff. So where the thick part is, the seam, we're not going to start on that. We're going to start down a few inches. And I'm on a length of 3. Just going to go forward and back, like my stitches, and go down to where this is. Now, my machine cannot sew over that without some help, so I take some fabric. I fold it like 3 times so it's about the thick of what it's going to be. I'll lift up my foot, first put my needle down with my hand wheel, lift up the foot, and put that fabric underneath it. This will help you to get over the top. You're not sewing it, it's just underneath it. Okay, so as you move that up. Okay, this is going to have to move up. Keep the needle down. Get that up over there. And I'm just going very slowly, moving this up as I move. And then that gets me over that hump. Now I'm going to do another seam. I'm just going to line my foot up with the seam I just made. And the reason I'm doing this, normally you don't have to do this, but the reason I'm doing this is that I made the hem a little bit larger, like a 1 inch, because I want this to be a little bit more sturdy, because it's going to be worn while working.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this tutorial.